Up next in fourth place is the Armor All Microfiber. If you're looking for the easiest and most efficient way to clean your car by hand, then Armor All Microfiber might be the perfect thing for you. You'll find that this wash mitt has two sides to it. One side is full of microfiber cleaning strands that will absorb all the dirt and grime off your vehicle. On the second side, it is equipped with a more rubbery material to scrape off the stubborn dirty spots. Furthermore, they are extremely flexible so that you can wring them out or wash them. Whether you are using them to get your car all soaping or wiping it down, the Armor All Microfiber will get the job done. This means cleaning off all the soapy suds much easier after getting the initial cleaning done. This mitt will soak up anything, so it will get dirty very quickly. Being able to wash it with ease is important, and that is what the Armor does for you. It provides you with a wash mitt that can stay in the action longer without wearing it down. Its pros are, it excels in cleaning vehicles specifically and does so very well long term. Its two-sided mitts allow you to deep clean or surface clean on the fly and effectively, and it can be washed or wrung out extremely quickly and easily so you can continue without waiting too long. However, some small pieces of microfiber fall off after using them for a while. If you ever need your vehicle cleaned by hand to a high standard, the Armor All Microfiber will help you get the job done. Still haven't found a microfiber wash mitt that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.